Today I will talk about data models and databases. TM. Steve Ballmer, former CEO of Microsoft, said, "The number one benefit of information technology is that it empowers people to do what they want to do. It lets people be creative. It lets people learn things they didn't think they could learn before. And so, in a sense, it is all about potential." This quote talks about computer technology and what it means to the modern world. Along with computer technology, we learn about databases and data models, a small part of technology. Computer technology is constantly advancing, and Steve Ballmer saw this potential in the world. First, I will talk about data models. A data model organizes data elements and standardizes how the elements relate to one another. Data elements record real-life people, places, and things. Computers are used for the accounting of these things, so the data model is there to ensure the exact replication of things to computers. It is a communication device between computers. According to Hoberman, a data model is a wayfinding tool for businesses and IT professionals, which use a set of symbols and text to precisely explain a subset of real information to improve communication within the organization and thereby lead to a more flexible and stable application environment. This quote, found on Wikipedia, is a perfect explanation of what data models do. These slides you see, which are depicted as charts and graphs. Databases, which is an organized collection of data. It is a model that supports processes requiring information. The two types of databases that I will talk about today are relational and NoSQL. Relational databases store information about both the data and how it is related. It is represented in a flat relational structuring. There are two ways. One is normalized, which has more data integrity, reduced storage, and faster transmissions. Databases are then denormalized, which is the second type of relational data to improve performance. Known as not only SQL, is the second type of database I will talk about. It provides a mechanism for storage and that is modeled in means other than the regular ways of relational databases. The old model is just SQL. The new model would be NoSQL. SQL is used on all Androids and iPhones because they have easy access to SQL databases. SQL also runs banks, hospitals, universities, government, businesses, and more. So why do people think that SQL is not? That's because there is a general sense that SQL is old-fashioned and outdated. There are also some complaints that SQL is slower and not as efficient. So then they created NoSQL. NoSQL is just an updated version of SQL that is becoming more and more popular. Today we learned about databases and data models, and at databases we learned about relational, which was normalized, and NoSQL, which was made from SQL. Thank you.